There are a lot of rules and regulations when it comes to Islam, because we can only achieve internal and external purity if we are going to understand what is halal and haram. A person who looks very clean outwardly, very clean, smart, spick and span, they may not have washed themselves after relieving themselves, so they are considered impure in the eyes of Allah. A person who looks very smart, spick and span from outside, outwardly, very clean, they may be very abusive with their tongues, so they are not pure. They may be hurtful. They may utter words that are unacceptable. These words can actually sometimes lead them to damaging their reputation with Allah, such that they might even come out of the fold of Islam. May Allah not do that to us. Sometimes externally a person is clean and pure, but you know what? Their dealings are not clean and pure. So they are not following Islam correctly. Some people would consume interest, giving it another name. We are destroying what Islam has taught. Some people might be consuming alcohol, giving it another name. Some people might be consuming or abusing weed, calling it tajweed. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us guidance and acceptance. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us stay away from that which is forbidden. Remember, when we speak of tahara, we're also speaking about halal and haram. We're also speaking about leading a clean and pure life. I give you another example. We are not meant to consume meat that is not slaughtered in a specific way. If it is slaughtered in a specific way with the name of Allah, seeking the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you may consume it. Now, sometimes people are not bothered about what they eat and what they drink. And the hadith says, towards the end of time, there will be people who will not be bothered about whether what they are consuming is actually halal or haram. They will just eat it for the sake of eating. You know, wow, it's tasty. Tasty doesn't mean it's halal. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us understanding.